Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to my Wealthsimple Trade Challenge episode number 13. As you can see, there has been a little bit of volatility in the markets. I deposited $250 in our portfolios up to $5,500 or up $465 or 9.24% all time. So like I said before, there has been a little bit of volatility in the market. What I'm going to do moving forward is continue to dollar cost average different stocks that I'm investing in. I'm going to increase some of my positions in core ETF holdings today. So as we scroll down here, just going to get started with QQC.F. This is a main NASDAQ 100 ETF, but it's held in Canadian dollars, so you aren't charged that conversion fee when you're converting to US dollars and then back. So really good for Canadian investors. As you can see, I'm only holding about 7% of my portfolio in this. I want to increase that to all the way up to about 10%. But here today, I'm just going to buy one share of this in my TFSA. Good. And the next stock we are going to be buying is, scroll all the way to the bottom here, our main ETF holding, which is VDY, and I'm going to be buying 3 shares of VDY this week. The price has dropped a little bit, so we're going to capitalize on that, buy it while it's dipped down a little bit, but at the end of the day, we're just going to continue to dollar cost average. This stock also has a dividend yield as well, so there's been some amazing growth in this stock, as well as some dividends collected as well. So 2 pending offers, those should go through at 9:30 when the stock market's open. But just to kind of update you guys again, the portfolio is at $5,500. Hopefully it swings back up a little bit, but even if it drops, we'll just take advantage of those drops and keep buying the dip. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you've never used Wealthsimple Trade, if you use the link in the description and spend $100 on stocks, you get another $10 of free stock trading money. I also get a little bit of a kickback too. So if you're ever interested, go into the description. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great day and talk to you soon.